Okay, so let's start making all the pieces for our web clock. I'm going to start on doing the numbers, obviously, for the numbers of the days of the week and the year. When you open it up, in this case I've opened up number template. You can see it's quite small, so you can magnify it just by clicking on the magnifying glass. Don't make it too big, that'll be big enough. Okay, and the first thing we're going to do is to colour our background. So what we've got to make sure is that we've clicked on the background layer over here on the right hand side. So once I've got the background layer selected, I can paint it. So I'm going to come across to the paint tool and I'm going to choose a nice colour. So I'm going to have a bit of green here, might make it a bit lighter green, darker green there, super light green. So different types of green. There we go. That's not too bad. And you can change different styles of brushes if you want, different colours. I might do one final blob of colour using one of these different types of brushes here. Don't get carried away too much. That might do. And I might do that super bright yellow. And right in the middle there. Alright, so there's my background. Now as far as the number, make sure you choose the number layer. So there's the number. As it's text, I can modify it. So for instance, if I want to change the colour, I highlight it using the text tool. I can change the colour if I want. Okay. So in this case here, if I highlight that, come here, click on the new colour, make sure you tick yes, and then I've got it there. Alright, let's do that again. So you highlight it using the text tool, change the colour, I'm going to go back to black. It's the new colour, go OK, go OK. You can also, if you highlight it, you can change the style of font if you want. Okay, I might choose this one here, and whatever size it is. So in this case here, I might just make that a little bit bigger. And of course you click OK. So I've now done the number 0. I need to save it. So if I go Save As, and I need to put it into my desktop folder called Images, which you should have already done. There it is there. And what do we call it? Now according to our little guide, the number 0 needs to be saved as 0. So that's pretty straightforward. So if I go to save this now, I'm going to call this 0, but it needs to be a GIF folder. So if I come down, there it is there, CompuServe GIF, click Save, OK, 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 done. How do I do the 1? Easy. Still on this T for text, highlight, type the 1. Click OK, File, Save As. In this case up the top here, make it number 1. Photoshop, no. CompuServe GIF, yes. So number 1, GIF, it's in Images on my desktop. There's my 0 from before. Now I've got number 1. Save. Okay, OK, OK. So you keep going through. You basically highlight the last one, change it to the next number, click OK, File, Save As. Make sure you're in the desktop images. Change it to the number that you need, number 2. Make sure it's a GIF.